Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Bert. Hope you're having a fantastic day. This video is about Yellow Jacket Garage. That's Brian, Yellow Jacket Garage, and he's working on a 1962 Corvette. In this video, I show you where he is doing a fitment of the brake booster. This is a brand new, huge brake booster that divvies up the front brakes from the back brakes. Whereas what has been in it was this tiny little brake booster that fed all the brakes, and that's just not up to, good standards anymore. So it's really kind of neat stuff. His channel has a great variety of automotive repair and maintenance. I highly suggest subscribing. That's Yellow Jacket Garage. I really do suggest subscribing. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit here about what was involved in this last weekend or so, and that'll give you a taste of what to expect relative to this car. So here we go. Here is Brian looking all serious while he's thinking about getting this work done. This is the Yellow Jacket Garage YouTube channel. Like I said, a lot of repair and maintenance and fun stuff out here. Corvettes, and then other stuff. Check it out. Now I want to just give you a good look at the Corvette itself. You can see his Grand Sport in the background maybe. But this is a nice car. So got good bones on it. This is a look at the giant brake booster that's going to be going into the car very soon. And so, yeah, then he begins his YouTube introduction here.
And it has a power booster, and so you actually get the power brakes to go along with the upgraded four-wheel discs that we put on the car.
Here he's kind of just getting up underneath to see what he needs to do right here. And what it is, there's a cotter pin that holds in a pin that connects the brake pedal to the booster. And so that's got to be all disconnected. So there's a few things right up underneath here that he's got to do. Not too hard. And then here he is up top looking at the old brake booster, getting ready to take that out. This is the old brake booster. You can see how tiny it is compared to the new one that's going in. So this is where that old brake booster was. It had leaked. All the paint's gone. He cleaned this stuff up and sprayed it with some fresh paint, at least temporarily, so that the fiberglass wouldn't be showing. And then he dry fitted in the new brake booster. You can see how much bigger this thing is. It is very lovely, chromed and all that. And this thing really ought to do a great job. But there's a lot more to this. So go out to Yellow Jacket Garage YouTube channel and begin monitoring the work on this Corvette. All right, that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe down below. I really do appreciate that. I really, really do. I would also appreciate you checking out Yellow Jacket Garage. Just please subscribe. He's got a lot of variety in terms of repair and maintenance. It's good stuff, and he tries to go that extra mile to really show you the truth and what it takes to do repair and maintenance for cars. He does not sugarcoat anything. He tells the truth and what you really, really, really need to do to gauge your expectations, your budgeting, your time, whatever. So please check him out, Yellow Jacket Garage. And with that, relax. Take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.